How has your experience been?
My experience has been very delightful, I would say, to begin with, mainly because I think like the journey is for me is much more important for it to be joyful than anything else. And I feel like the past 1 year, 8 months has been such a journey in terms of like when I started out, I felt like I knew enough, but then when I really got deep into the practice, learned how to unlearn and relearn, and that was the best experience. Because that's when I realized that, like with you, that like yoga is not just about the physical like health; it's very mental as well, and how you kind of collaborate both is the challenging part and the growth oriented part as well. So I think the journey for me has been more mental than physical, and all thanks to like you as my teacher, because it really like I really started embodying the spiritual part of yoga, which I didn't really see before, which was more like just doing asanas and postures and trying to get the perfect posture or challenge. But I really started to like see it from like a more internal standpoint, and that was one of the main things that I kind of learned.
Very interesting, that you said that you have connected to the spiritual part. You've understood that it's more about the mind than the body. But uh, all these months, 1 year plus, we have worked with the body only mainly.
Yeah,
So the main thing here is through the body we reach the mind. Okay,
that's
many
correct.
people say कि आप प्राणायाम सिर्फ क्यों नहीं कराते, आप meditation क्यों नहीं कराते? Because my understanding says I follow the book, the text, and it says that you have to work with the body first to be able to settle yourself and reach to that level wherein you can breathe.
Yeah.
Okay. If the body is not in place, if it is agitated, if it is not settled, then your thoughts are not going to settle. If the thoughts are not settled, the mind is agitated and you're not going to connect to your breath.
Yeah.
And meditation तो बहुत बाद में आता है.
100%. Yeah.
But
No, but
it
no, I was gonna say, to add to what you're saying, I realized even though we were working on our body throughout, like I don't think we've only recently started doing a lot of breath work with the postures and stuff, right? Before that, it was basic. Like again, as I said, like unlearning to learn like in a better way, I would call it, from you as my teacher. So in that, what I realized, like small differences in lifestyle, like an economy class seat started feeling a lot more comfortable. My sleep started feeling a lot more comfortable, because I feel like any passive posture that I was taking on in a daily basis became a lot better for me. So that is like the first details that I started noticing, and then just general things like my temperament, perseverance, and other things, like how I take it back to work. Like even if I have long nights, how am I putting myself together? How am I maintaining that harmony, not like work-life balance, but work-life harmony? All these details I started noticing a lot more because yoga was introduced to me as a practice, and because small lessons of like, okay, just even if you're not there and you're not 100% in the posture, you can't get a headstand right just yet, but start with like getting your back straight. Just having the patience to even do that was a mental health thing, I feel like, even without realizing.
and all of this was possible because you are dedicated. Okay, you are extremely consistent, dedicated, and serious, and you believe in your practice. That is what we need to be able to go ahead. Because I need patience in my students. Okay,
Yeah,
patience कैसे आता है? It will come with trust. It will come with practice.
for
Because you
sure.
trust me, you listen to me, and which is why I want our practice to go slow rather than
Yeah.
point A, point B, just somehow
Yeah.
going
It's like
slow.
what we always talk about, right? Like okay, so summarize, I would say, work like practicing with you and you being my teacher, one biggest learning that I have had is, we always say this phrase that don't look at the result, enjoy the journey. I feel like I actually experienced that sort of phrase, like with you being my teacher, and that got me closer to the end result without even realizing that I'm like getting there. Because I started enjoying the journey so much more.
So after listening to you, I feel कि चलो I'm doing something right, because it is
100%.
always with the body. I don't mind practicing asanas and all of that. Having said that, asanas are highly celebrated. Okay,
Of
but
course.
if we keep it only to the body, then it's of no point. Then it's like doing any other physical activity.
Exactly.
But
Yeah.
through the body, you're learning so much. Everything that you said, I'm so proud. I'm so happy that I am
The
able.
teachings are, yes, they're
You
getting
are
embodied. Yes, 100%. And I can, like, I'm truly saying this, like, starting practicing with you or starting, like, you being my teacher has been the best thing that has happened to me in the past 1.5 years or so. Truly, I'm telling you, it makes my day. Like, 1 hour with you truly makes my day. Like, I'm looking forward to that 1 hour. So
Thank you. Thank you so much.